This is the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. Psalm 118 verse 23. Hi guys, it's your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So I made this giant meat pie to celebrate my birthday, and I want to share the recipe with you guys. So let's go. So in a bowl, I add 4 cups of flour. And please note, I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box, so you check it out, okay? So I added my baking powder and some salt to taste. So now I am adding my margarine or butter. So now we mix, and then this is what we have here. So I'm gonna add 1 egg to it, and then we are gonna add some water to it. You can also add some milk to it, okay? Yeah. So we are gonna mix this till it's well incorporated. So now we gently knead it and then refrigerate it for like about 30 to 40 minutes whilst we prepare our filling. So now we are gonna cling film this, and then we're gonna start with our filling. So in my skillet, I added some oil, some onions, and then I stir, and then I add my minced meat. So I cook this for just about 3-4 minutes. Then I add my seasonings. So you can use fish, you can use veggies, you can use any filling of your choice, family. But then I decided to make meat or beef filling because I so love minced meat. So now that my filling is cooked, I add my corn starch and my veggies. Yes, if you follow me, you know I really love mixed veggies in my pie. So this is the consistency we want our filling. So we're gonna set this aside and let it rest and cool down. Now we are gonna start with the cutting of the giant pie. So you can use any lid, saucepan lid. Yes, and please cut it according to the shape you desire, okay? So I decided to make this giant meat pie to celebrate my birthday instead of the normal cutting of cake, okay? Yes, so over here we are gonna add our filling and then cover it up. And whilst doing this, I have preheated my oven to about 160 degrees Celsius. So we egg wash the edges of our pie, and then we add our juicy filling. Make sure it is well filled, okay? Yeah, we don't want any airy giant pie. Yeah, okay? So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's the doing of the Lord, and it's so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified, okay? Yes, so we always cut cake, but today let's cut pie for our birthday, okay? So we're gonna egg wash this, and then I am gonna make my incisions. That is happy birthday Evee. Yes, we want something fancy, something memorable, something beautiful. So just look at it. Happy birthday, Evee! And after 45 minutes, here we are. Just look at it. Beautiful, golden brown, delectable, in it. Yeah, so join me. Let's cut our giant meat pie. Wow, just look at it, family. It's juicy, it's moist, and it's crunchy. Oh my goodness, family. Sometimes you can make this giant meat pie to celebrate your friends and family's birthday, and they are gonna thank you. Okay, thank you guys, and see ya in our next video. Bye, family.